Did you know there is a worm-like creature living in the ocean that shares about 70% of its genes with you? It sounds wild, but it's true. Meet the acorn worm. It might not look like much, but it's one of our distant evolutionary cousins. Acorn worms belong to a group called Hemicaudates, which places them in the same major evolutionary branch as starfish and all vertebrates, including us humans. We're all deuterostomes. This connection is more than just a label. See those gill slits on the side of the acorn worm? They are controlled by the same genes that, in humans, developed into our pharynx, the part of the throat behind our mouth and nasal cavity, essential for swallowing and even speaking. So, in a way, we can thank this humble worm for our ability to chat and enjoy a meal. But the acorn worm's most incredible talent is its superpower: regeneration. If you cut one into pieces, each fragment can regrow into a complete new worm in just 15 days. Imagine that. They can regenerate every single body part, including their head and nervous system. Scientists are incredibly excited about this. They're studying the master-controlled genes that orchestrate this amazing feat, hoping to unlock secrets that could revolutionize regenerative medicine for humans. We're talking about everything from repairing damaged tissues to potentially fighting the aging process. Life as an acorn worm is pretty unique. They live in U-shaped burrows on the seafloor, and you can often spot their homes by the distinct, coiled piles of sand they leave behind after digesting their meals. They're deposit feeders, swallowing sediment to extract nutrients, but some also use a mucus-coated proboscis to trap food particles floating in the water. And here's a mind-bender. They do all this without a brain. Instead, they have a decentralized nerve net spread throughout their body, which is perfectly sufficient for their needs. When it comes to making more acorn worms, they have options. They can reproduce asexually by simply breaking apart, or they can reproduce sexually. This results in a tiny larva called a tornaria, which looks almost identical to a starfish larva, providing yet another clue to their shared ancestry. Deep in the ocean, these worms get even stranger. Some species, like the one nicknamed the Yoda worm for its large, ear-like lips, are buoyant and can float through the water to find new feeding grounds. Others are bioluminescent, like Trichodera flava, which can produce a fascinating greenish glow. They also have a secret weapon: chemical warfare. Acorn worms secrete rare chemical compounds that contain bromine, giving them a distinct medicinal smell. This powerful defense mechanism is also a treasure trove for biochemists searching for new natural products with potential medical applications. And don't let their wormy appearance fool you. Some of these creatures get massive. The giant acorn worm, Balanoglassus gigas can grow up to 2.5 meters long. So, from sharing the genetic blueprint for our throat to holding potential keys to regeneration and new medicines, the acorn worm is far more than just a strange sea creature. It is a living window into our own evolutionary past and a beacon of hope for our medical future. What an incredible animal! Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from the natural world.